All right, guys, this is Bank Nifty and 5-minute chart. Let me explain where exactly we enter today. Me and my student, we enter exactly at what level. So first, let me show you the structure of this market. So prices are creating higher high and a higher low, and again price broke this level. So this is the higher point and break out the structure. So here I can see break out the structure, and this is the demand zone. Price after giving a pullback, price bounce from this area. So that is why we drawn two lines here. Just a minute. Okay, so first this is the demand zone. Price are bouncing from this area. All right, so that means buyer are activated in this area. So me and my student, we discussing where our entry point, and we was looking for buy, and next we are looking for buy. Let me remove this session line. So this is also session line, so let me remove this session line. Okay, so it's a very interesting. So next sorry, just a minute. Okay, so after that we was looking for buy in this area because this is a session breakout, and another we was looking for here near demand zone, but price not able to reach that level. Let me show you where exactly our entry point was today. So let me jump to 1-minute chart. Okay, perfect. Now I can see that was our session breakout. So let's see how price are approaching. Where was our entry point? So price create a new high, pull back, goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back. Now retest this session, goes up, again pull back, and finally create a new higher high somewhere here. It's called higher high. So finally pull back. That was our entry point. That was our trigger point. So first we enter here. So let me show you another our entry point. Let's jump to 5 minutes. Okay. 5-minute chart. Next here I can see price pull back and goes up a little bit, pull back again, and at that time we drawn some demand zone. Where was our demand zone? That was our demand zone. Next demand zone, that was a demand zone, and another that is called breakout structure. So here was a higher point, and that was our breakout the structure. And let's check it in a 1-minute chart. Where our entry point was here. So let me show you. So in this area now you can see price goes down, not able to create higher high, pull back aggressively, create a new low, goes up and create a new high, and the price here you can see try again. Now it's a money spot, and exactly we enter here, and the target 1:2. I keep my SL here just below this lower point, and target was somewhere there. All right, let's analyze for tomorrow. So before we analyze for tomorrow, so me and my student always discussing where our entry point. So it's a highly professional. We understand how market are behaving, where we need to enter in this market. All right, so this is a very unique course we are releasing, and we guiding every day where to enter, where not to enter in this market, what is the behavior of big boys. So we are explaining everything in our course, and we are guiding that one. So let me explain for the tomorrow. So tomorrow here you can see price are creating new higher high and higher low, but I'm not interested to take buy position. I'll explain why. So still they are creating higher high and higher low, but I'm not interested in this area. So let me explain why. So if you not seen a small large time frame, let me show 1 hour time frame. Let me zoom a little bit. So here you can see strong resistance are there. So means from this area, price was rejecting from this area drastically and drop. And right now near this area. So I'm looking for buy after breaking this level, or otherwise I'm not interested in the probability to pull back. So here I can see price goes up, pull back, and goes up, pull back, and goes up. So it is a probability to pull back from this area. So that is why I'm not interested to take any buy position toward the upside. So I just waiting for a short. Uh, I need a confirmation to get sell position in this area. So another confirmation. Let me show you here. Very interesting pattern are forming. So here I can see basically what happened when VIX goes up or price drop. But today here you can see price also going up and VIX also going up. Very dangerous pattern this one. When this pattern form, so here price form in this candle. Let me show you exactly. Okay, perfect. Okay, now you can see when I put the cursor around 8 March. 8 March here you can see 8 March price opens somewhere there and goes up. All right, that was bullish candle. So even here you can see VIX also 8 March goes up. So after that, what happened? Price dropped drastically. Same pattern are forming. Here I can see VIX also going up and even price also going up. All right, basically what happened? When VIX goes up, price drop. When VIX drop, price goes up. But we have seen this scenario, exactly same area it's happening in this in the market in Bank Nifty. All right, so it is a very unique point. So that is why I'm not looking for buy. All right, so basically we are focusing on a sell side. So where will be my sell side? So I'm not going to short blindly. We need some reason. Okay, let me explain. So where my sell point will be. So now you can see price goes up, pull back, and it goes up. Now we are looking for short after breaking this lower point. So that will be a demand zone. Once price break this demand zone, so after giving a pullback, I'll sell aggressively. All right. So that is my trading strategy for tomorrow. So me and my student will discuss where to exactly end that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for giving your valuable time.